Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel where you will enjoy watching me making beautiful and different DIYs for home decoration. If you are new here, consider joining my channel by clicking that subscribe button below and remember the notification bell. You will notify when I upload a new video. In today's video, I am part of the Up Collab, where you'll find a group of wonderful crafters who are making gorgeous DIYs for home decoration using power tools. So the host of this challenge is Sarah from Cancer DIY It and Dana from OK Home DIY. I have their channels link in my description box below as well as the playlist, so don't forget to check out all these channels. You will enjoy watching amazing hosts and other ladies in the playlist creating very cute projects for home decoration. Yeah. Go start our Coastal Farmhouse DIY. For this project I need this wooden spoon that I got on Dollar Tree and this paint stick that I got on Lowe's. I need 14 of them, and these popsicle sticks. I need them to hold these sticks all together in the back. I line them down like that. I have 12 sticks here and I attach them with these popsicle sticks. We're using my hot glue and wood glue. Wood glue for permanent hold and hot glue for quick hold. Now when I'm done with these popsicle sticks, I have now a piece of square wood sign. So now what I gonna make, I need this Waverly wax, clear one. So I'm gonna mix it with 1 drop of blue paint, so just to give like a light blue color in the back of this sign, like stain it with the blue, light blue, because I didn't want to leave the natural color of the wood. And with this wooden spoon I'm give a color of blue, green and brown. Just mix everything together and like distress those colors to give a coastal look or coastal colors that match my sign. White too, I'm adding white. Also I have this small anchor that I got on Dollar Tree. I'm gonna paint it like this wooden spoon to get same color, coastal colors. So blue, green, white, brown, distress all this color together, so to give a nice color. I'm adding brown. Until I get the color that I want, like this one. Voila, voila, voila. A bit of brown. Ta-la-la. I like these colors. And now with the other 2 paint sticks, I'm gonna paint it with my Waverly wax, brown wax, and wipe it with my baby wipe, just to give look the color that I want. And I'm gonna add other colors too, the blue, green, brown, white, to give same colors as the wooden spoon and the other anchor. I just add these half wooden beads. I color them with blue and white to give light color, light blue color. This is my wood burning tool. I want to spell the word relax by using a cute hot stamp has the shape of flower to give a nice design to my word. I love using my power tool in this collab. Look, I'm spelling letters with this stamp, and with this twine I wrap on the top of the spoon and in the bottom to give a nice look, and the anchor too. I have this chain. This chain is for my glasses. I don't need them anymore. Oh, it's broken, I think. So it's brown. It's the color that I want to add it in my sign. So I'm gonna hang this anchor in the corner, somewhere in the corner. Ooh, I have this glitter coral. I have red and white. I'm gonna add them in the bottom of this ocean sign. And these tiny stones that I got from my aquarium, put some in the bottom, some small shells and small other stones. Now I'm adding a crazy bow. No, not crazy bow. A messy bow. Crisscross these strips of these ribbons. I have 2 ribbons that I cut them. Strips, and now I attach them in the middle. Make a bow. Messy bow, not crazy bow. Oh, we can call it crazy bow. I'm adding this half bead in the middle, gluing this anchor somewhere. Ooh, I have this nautical rope to hold this sign. Et voila, 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 voila. This piece of decor, it came out so cute. What do you think, guys? Let me know in your comment below. And I hope you like this video. I hope you like my project. And take care and see you soon. Bye, everybody.